Hello, today we speak how to protect virtual machine or a vApp in WaveCom vCloud environment. WaveCom is using VMware vCloud Availability, cutting-edge new technology available only as a service from vCloud service providers. It allows to back up, migrate, and recover one virtual machine or a whole data center. So let's start configuring protection. First of all, you will need to log into source vCloud director site. Press sign in. When you have signed in, you need to open the top roll down menu and choose the vCloud availability. You will need to choose which kind of protection you want to use. So incoming replications from cloud, from on-premises, or outgoing replications to cloud or to on-premises. We will perform to cloud protection. So click on that and click new protection. So first of all, select the app, click next. Then the target site you want to choose. We will choose Availablity. You will be asked for failover site credentials, and remember that you need to use user@organization format. In our case, it is Wavecom@Wavecom, and the password is the same we used in signing into the source vCloud director site, and just push login. In the target VC, just click next. On the protection settings page, you must set the target recovery point objective and the retention policy for point-in-time instances. For a target recovery point objective, we recommend 1 hour, but you can also go as low as 5 minutes, which basically means that in every 5 minutes, the data is replicated to failover site. And you can also go as high as 24 hours. In retention policy for point-in-time instances, we recommend preserve 4 instances spread evenly over the last 4 days. We will enable it, but you can choose how many instances you want and over how many days you want. And you can go even for 1 year. You can also select whether you want to enable or disable the QoS. Please remember that QoS is not recommended to use with busy virtual machines. It will freeze VM memory and disk up to a second, and it's backed by some operation systems, but not all of them. So use it only if you have a complete understanding of its performance. And in our case, we will disable it. There is also option to use seed. If you already have same virtual machine in your failover data center. It's useful when you have recovered VM previously in failover data center. You don't use it anymore and the VM disk size is huge. Otherwise, we don't recommend using it. So we'll leave it disabled. And we will click next. On the ready to complete page, you can review the replication settings and just click finish. If the replication operation completes successfully, the status of the replication task that you created is displayed healthy under the replication state, which is over here. But it will take some time to synchronize. Now that the replication state is healthy, it is also wise to set up a network for protected virtual machines in failover site that allows one-click recovery in the future. So click over here and push the networks button. Here you can choose networks and appropriate network for your virtual machine. Wavecom uses cross VDC internal VXLAN and public VLANs, which are available in all our data centers. If you have chosen the appropriate network for your virtual machine, just click Apply. And this is it, basically, for this video. See you in the next Wavecom tutorial video, where we speak about orchestrated disaster recovery with vCloud availability.